Welcome to Study With Me channel. In this video, we are going to see the topic called Scope of Cost Accounting. First point, costing. Costing is the technique and process of ascertaining cost of product. It is nothing but the method applied to determine the cost of a product. There are a lot of methods available in the cost accounting for determination of cost of a product. They are process costing, unit costing, job costing, standard costing, etc. If you take those industries whose production is carried out by stage means their process costing is applied. For applying the method of costing, we need to follow some accounting principles and rules that is given in the cost accounting. Second point, cost accounting. It is a process of accounting for cost, which means we are recording all the expenses incurred for the production of the goods. That is, starting from the procurement of raw material till the goods converted into finished goods, we are recording all the expenses. After that, we are preparing the periodical statement through which the management can able to know the cost of a product and also control the cost for a future period. Third point, cost analysis. It means the process of finding out the factors responsible for variance in actual cost from the budgeted cost. Budgeted cost means standard cost which is predetermined by the organization. While comparing the actual cost from the budgeted cost, there may be some variance. This is due to the factors like poor calculation of budget, high labor cost, natural disaster, economic and political condition, etc. Out of these factors, poor calculation of budget and high labor cost are controllable factors. So the organization can take some action to control these elements and they can reduce the cost to a further extent. This will help the organization to take strategic decisions for a future period. Fourth point, cost comparison, which means comparison of cost from alternative course of action. We are comparing the existing cost with the alternative options. Suppose if the organization decide to go for expansion of production process means they have to analyze what is the cost to be invested for implementing the new technology for producing that product, or they can decide to go for different product means in that case also they have to analyze the cost for making that different products. The point, cost control. It means a detailed examination of each cost in the light of advantage received. Because of incurring the cost, is organization get any benefit or not to be analyzed. If they get benefit means it is well and good. If it is not means they have to reconsider their option. At the same time they have to analyze in actual cost is exceeding the budgeted cost or not. If it is not exceeded means they are going in the right path, or otherwise they have to see the possibilities available to reduce the cost to a further extent. Sixth point, cost report. It is the main function of the cost accounting. Here reports are prepared by the management at various levels called top level management, middle level management and lower level management. That is, at all levels of management periodical report is prepared. This will helpful for the management for planning and controlling the future activities and appraising the performance of both employees regarding the production and the management, and also they can take any decision for a future period. Point, statutory compliance. It is important on the part of organization to maintain cost accounting records. In that record they have to mention the details related to utilization of material, labor and other overhead regarding production of goods or provision of services. Provision of services is applicable to the service industries. All these records are to be maintained in the condition given in the Act. See further topics in next video. Click like, subscribe and share button. Don't forget to click notification button. Thank you for watching.